mà cả một thằng. Pet. Here you go. Go eat, eat. Hi. Baba Black Sheep. How about petting? Pet. Pet. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Touch it, touch. Touch.
Okay.
It's okay. Why are you scared? Why are you scared? Wow, it's a llama.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Don't be scared. Hi. Oh, chicken. Hello. Hi, sheep. Hi, sheep. Come. Baby Kyle want to high five. High five. Let's go. Hey. Hey.
How are you?
Hi, chick. Hi. Say. Hi, sheep. Hi, sheep. Bah. Bah.
Sing Baba Black. Nothing for them? No? No, he's waiting for the food.
Yeah, waiting for the food.
He's waiting for the food.
Okay, here you go.
Mama,
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Right.
Eat. Hi, baby.
Hi, Mama Sheep.
Your mama sheep. Mmm. Yummy. Eat yummy. You wanna feed it? Okay, give it. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Your other hands. Give me right hands. Here you go. Here. Give it to them.
Okay.
See?
Look, they're waiting for the food. They're hungry.
Yeah, they're hungry.
The sheep is
They want to
hungry.
eat yummy. Okay, let's go. Careful, okay? Give it to the chicken, alright?
Touching your hand, but doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt?
No. Avery, let the chicken go.
Open your hands, open your hands.
Open your hands.
Open your hands.
Open the hands. Open it. See, it's finished now.
Okay, open the hands.
Look, the goat. So nice.
Eat yummy food.
Wanna try?
Eat yummy food.
Here
Wanna
you go.
try? Eat yummy food. Good. Huh? No, don't be scared.
Look at there. Hi, baby.
Eat the yummy food, pig. Eat the yummy food. Eat the yummy food.
No, not
no,
the
this
leaves.
one. This one. This one. This one. Okay, give it to the pig. Give it to the pig.
Look at the baby. It's so cute. Look over here. Oh.
Give it to the pig. Rabbit.
Wanna feed the rabbits? So cute.
Feed the rabbit.
Feed the rabbit.
Give it.
One piece.
Give it.
No, just take one and feed the rabbit.
Open your hands. Open your hands. Open your hands.
Wow, you're so cute.
Open your hands. Here you go. Here you go. Eat rabbit. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Yummy.
More.
So cheesy.
Okay, more. Feed one. One piece.
Open your hands. Open your hands like
No,
this.
you feed one.
Yeah, feed them. Okay. Open your hands.
Can I try? Can I try? I want to try too. Here you go, rabbit. Mama's doing. Look, like this. Oh, hoy. Hoy. Listen, oh. Hmm.
Last one.
Mm.
Last one.
Okay.
Eat.
Mm. Good job. Give
Hi,
one.
rabbit.
They're so cute. Maybe just one. They're so big. Okay, feed it.
Give it to the rabbit.
Okay. Put it in the mouth.
Put it in the mouth. Here you go. Eat. Yummy food. How about
It's
the
so
big rabbit?
cute.
How about the big rabbit?
There's a big rabbit.
Yeah, over here. Look, it's a very
Oh,
big
it's so
rabbit.
big.
It's a big rabbit.
Oh my god.
Wow.
You wanna go there in the playground? You wanna try the play? Oh, be careful.
Where are you going?
Sige na, Papa. Oh yeah. It looks like a...
Okay. Oh.
Uy! Nakadari ko. It's like a seesaw too. Whee! Look, Mama and Papa also. Whee! We bite. Look, there's a sign. We bite. What's that? Show ostrich? Hi. I'm scared too. A little bit.
Very big. He's
Ooh,
a very big.
yeah. It's okay. You pet him, okay? You pet him. Come, you touch. Touch. He's okay. He's horse.
No, it's a goat. Hi, goat.
Wow. It's a goat. Yeah. Hi, mountain goat. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
I-feed ni mo? Wala siya beard.
You wanna touch the chicken? Here's a chicken.
It's just a chicken. Chicken, you want to feed the chicken? See? Oh! I want to escape. I don't want to be held.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's alright.
No, there's no upstairs. There's only big spiders.
Pero mong lakad, gising na ito. Lagi na. They're just going back and forth. Come back, Rabbit. Don't be scared.
Come back.
I won't bite you, Rabbit. I'm just...
You guys are welcome to come with us. It's about a 5-minute walk.
Oh, yeah. Let's go feed the cows, baby. You wanna see the cows?
Come, let's go. Let's go feed the cows.
Oh, let's go. Let's go feed the cows. Yeah, I wanna see the cows. Let's go see the cows.
Come, feed the cow. Come,
Let's go. You wanna see the cows or no? No.
Only one.
Just one, baby. One by one. Good job, Rabbit. You're eating. He's chewing. He's not done yet.
How
Oh,
about the
there's a
black
black
rabbit?
one. I want more. big one.
Okay. Eat rabbit, eat one. Eat one, eat one.
They're still chewing, baby. He's not finished chewing yet. No, he's asking now.
More.
What about the pig? You want to feed the pig? Hmm? They're chewing their food properly, not like us.
How about the chicken? Come, let's go feed the chicken.
The chicken, baby, let's feed the chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken is hungry too.
There's another rabbit.
Come,
Kyle, say bye-bye to the rabbit.
there's another rabbit there.
Here.
Baby, over there.
Go over that side. Over that side. Go over that
Go
side.
over this side, baby.
Careful.
Careful. The rabbit is scared. Here. Oh, here. You sit down here.
Sit down.
They're scared. It's okay. Paano eh? Ito hindi siya nga.
Okay, that's all. How about the chicken?
Hi, pigs. Hi, piggies.
Eat rabbit.
Feed them. Feed. More? You want more food? More treats?
Wow.
Try it. So fluffy? Yeah, so soft.
How about the sheep? The mama black sheep is so fluffy too.
Yeah. Oh, you wanna try the baby black sheep?
Yeah, black sheep. Let's go.
You can sing the Baba Black
Yeah,
Sheep.
sing the Baba Black Sheep. Black rabbit, come.
Uy, nasinig ko na po siyang mata. Tolo na yung cellphone, Papa.
Baba Black Sheep, have you been? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You'll be the driver?
He begs me.
You're going to drive the airplane? Okay, you drive the airplane.
Dali ko, Papa, be sa food.
You want to sleep now, Titi with Mama?
So nice. Looking at the trees, the sun.
Yeah, if the trees will, the leaves are all up. Yeah.